Welcome back to SCIEDUFY, where we make science simple and fun. This is part 2 of our Booklet B preparation series. So today we will dive deeper into new questions and practice answering them step by step. Question 1. A. State what pollination means. The diagram shows a cross section of a flower. B. It was observed that a bee was found inside the flower. Describe the role of the bee in the pollination of this flower. C. Fred wanted to find out if a fruit can still be produced with certain parts of the flower removed. He labeled the three flowers E, F and G from the same plant and removed a certain part from each of the flowers. Explain why Fred noticed that flowers E and G had developed into fruits but not flower F after a week. Now let's move on to answering the questions. A. Pollination is the process in which pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of a flower. B. When the bee enters the flower to collect nectar, its body brushes against the anthers and pollen grains stick onto its body. Later, when the bee visits another flower, the pollen grains are transferred from its body to the stigma, allowing pollination to occur. C. Flower F had no stigma, style, ovary and ovule. Without these parts, pollen cannot land on the stigma, travels down the style and reach the ovule. As a result, fertilization cannot take place and no fruit is formed. But flowers E and G still had their stigma, style, ovary and ovule. So fertilization occurred and fruits developed. Question 2. Organisms Y and Z live in a pond. James observed them and recorded his observations in the table. A. Describe how organism Z gets oxygen from the pond. Organism Y spreads diseases. B. Based on the information in the table, suggest and explain a way to prevent the increase of population Y. C. The table shows the life cycle of organism Y at different temperatures. Using the information given, explain how global warming increases the spread of the diseases. So the answer for A is organism Z uses gills to obtain oxygen. Dissolved oxygen in the water passes through the thin walls of the gills, where it diffuses into the blood. The oxygen blood is then transported to all parts of Z's body. Next, B. One way is to apply a thin layer of oil on the surface of the pond to prevent the increase of population Y. Organism Y breathes through air tubes that reach above the water surface. The layer of oil blocks air from entering the tubes, preventing Y from getting oxygen. Without oxygen, Y cannot survive and its population decreases. C. As global temperature rises due to global warming, the number of days for Y to complete one life cycle, egg to adult, decreases. This means Y reproduces faster. Faster reproduction leads to larger population of Y, which can spread diseases more quickly. Question 3. Andy hung 3 wet towels, each with the same amount of water, on a string as shown. Andy observed the hangers moved closer towards the center. A. Using property of materials, explain why. B. How did this prevent his wet towels from drying quickly? C. After 2 hours, Andy observed that the upper part of the towels was drier than the lower. Explain why the upper part was drier. So let's discuss the answers. A. The string is flexible, so when the heavy wet towels are hung on it, the mass of the towels pulls the string downward. This causes the hangers to slide towards the center. B. As the towels moved closer together, they were exposed to less wind. with less airflow around them. The rate of evaporation slowed down, so the towels dried more slowly. C. Water from the upper part of the towel was pulled downward by gravity. This left less water in the upper part to evaporate, so it dried faster than the lower part, where more water collected. Question 4. Jane placed 4 similar pieces of bread in 4 identical sealed boxes. She placed boxes J and K in a cold area and boxes L and M in a warm area. Substance X placed in the cotton absorbs water from the surroundings. A. In which box J, K, L or M would fungus appear first on the fresh bread? Explain your answer. B. Mildew is a kind of fungus. Jane observed some mildew growing on her damp wallet. Her mother advised her to put her wallet outdoors, under the hot sun for a few hours every day. Explain how by doing so helps to prevent the growth of mildew on the wallet. So the answer for A is box L. Fungus would appear first in box L. In box L, the moist cotton provides water and the box is placed in a warm area. Since fungus needs both water and warmth to grow, conditions in box L are the most suitable. B. The heat from the sun dries out the wallet by removing water. Without water, the wallet is no longer damp. Since fungus, mildew, needs water to grow, the sun prevents mildew from growing on the wallet. Question 5. The diagram shows how food and gases are transported in the human body. A. Identify the following systems. B. One of the gases found in A is used by plants to carry out process T in the presence of light. Name the gas and state the importance of process T to the plants. C. Describe the changes in system Y when someone exercises vigorously. Now let's go through the answers. A. X is the digestive system which transports digested food. Y is the circulatory system which transports food, gases and waste around the body. Z is the respiratory system which takes in oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. The answer for B is the gas is carbon dioxide and the process T is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis allows plants to make food, glucose, in the presence of sunlight, which is essential for their growth and survival. Next, C. During vigorous exercise, the heart pumps faster and the pulse rate increases. This helps transport more oxygen and digested food in the blood to the muscles. Muscles use this to release more energy through respiration, allowing the body to keep up with the increased activity. Great job! You have completed part 2 of our PSLE Science Booklet B preparation. Keep practicing and you will feel more confident during exams. Don't forget to watch part 3 for even more challenging questions. Subscribe to SCIEDUFY for more science tips, quizzes and PSLE preparation videos.